Guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. So in today's video, I'm going to be braiding on a very thick and short natural hair, so stay tuned. And if you have not already subscribed to my channel, don't forget to hit the red button down below that says subscribe, and also hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. Okay, so let's get started. So she just finished washing her hair about 2 minutes ago. So I'm going to moisturize her hair with this leave-in conditioner before we start braiding. So at this point, her hair is completely dry. I will go ahead and spray water again just to soften the hair, and then I will continue braiding. So now that I am done braiding, I will go ahead and trim all the fly away and then put the hair in hot water just to lock the ends of the braid. And then after that, I will go ahead and lay her baby hair. Okay, and thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and also subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all very soon. Bye.